Good day to all my viewers around the world. You're welcome to my online class today. But just before we go ahead with the solution to the question on the screen, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment. Thank you. All right, let's look at this question. Nigerian Mathematics Olympiad, first round senior category. Simplify root t plus 1 plus root t plus root t minus 1 minus 2 into brackets root t plus 1 plus root t close bracket plus root t minus 1 close bracket, everything over root t plus 1 plus root t minus 1. The first thing we're going to do, let's take a look at the solution. So let's represent, let's say P is equal to t plus 1 and the Q is equal to t minus 1. T minus 1. We substitute that in. Okay, this becomes square root of P because this has been represented with P now. Okay, plus root T. Okay, then plus root Q. Then minus, we have 2 into bracket of T plus 1 is P. That's root P. Okay, plus root T, close bracket. The other one, root T, okay, plus T minus 1 is Q. That would be root Q, close bracket. Then this over T plus 1 is P. That becomes root P. T minus 1 is Q plus root Q. Okay, if you take a look at this, let's make this over 1 to find the LCM. In finding the LCM, okay, we have root P plus root Q. So 1 in root P plus root Q gives us the same thing. So here we have root P, okay, plus root Q, close bracket, into bracket of root P plus root T plus root Q, close the bracket. Then we have root P plus root Q in root P plus root Q. That's 1 multiplied by the numerator, it gives the same thing, minus 2 into bracket of, let's just open this directly from here. Okay, that is root P times root T. That gives us root PT. Root P times root Q. That would be plus root PQ. Okay, plus root T times root T. That will give us T. Then root T times root P. That will give us plus root QT. Okay, close the bracket. All right, from here, let's expand this one here. So this is going to give us, we have root P times root P. That would be P. Root P times root T plus root PT. Okay, root P times root Q plus root PQ. Okay, the next one, root Q times root P. That'll give us plus root PQ. Okay, root Q times T, root T plus root QT. And lastly, root Q times root Q. That will give us Q. Okay, then if we open the bracket here, we have minus 2 root PT. Okay, minus 2 root PQ. Also minus 2T. And lastly, minus 2 root QT. Then everything over root P plus root Q. Okay, so what do we do from here? Let's take a look at this. This is root PQ. Let me use another color to differentiate that. This is root PQ plus root PQ. That will give us 2 root PQ. And don't forget, we have a negative 2 root PQ here. So this one and this can cancel minus 2 PQ. Okay, so let's go on. We have here, we have P. I can bring the Q here. That becomes plus Q. Here is PT. Look at this now. We have a negative 2 root PT here. This is root PT minus root PT. So we can simplify this. That's root pt minus 2 root pt. That will give us minus root pt, okay? Then this one is cleared. Then let's take a look at this root qt here. We also have minus 2 root qt here. So that will give us minus root qt. Okay, that means this is taken care of now. Just a few seconds. This is taken care of with this. So we are left with what else again? We are left with minus 2t. And also here we have done root pt, and this is taken care of as well. This has been taken care of, pt here and this here. Okay, so let's take a look at what is the next thing to do from here. Okay, we are left with minus 2t here. This is minus 2t, okay, over, then we have root p plus root q. All right, now if this is what we have here, then what do we do? How do we proceed from here? So let me rearrange the numerator here. This is going to be equal to p plus q. I'll bring minus 2 here, minus 2t. Then I have minus root pt, okay, minus root qt. Then everything over root p plus root q. Okay, don't forget at the beginning we said let p equals t plus 1 and q equals t minus 1. I will replace t plus 1 back to p and t minus 1 back to q. So for p now it becomes t plus 1, and q, that's plus q, that's t minus 1, and here I have minus 2t, okay, then minus root pt minus root qt, then everything over root p plus root q. Okay, from here, t plus t will give us 2t, and we have a negative 2t here. So t, we go with minus 2t, then 1 minus 1, this, we go with this. So in a nutshell, we're left with minus root pt, okay, minus root qt, then over root p plus root q. Also, from here, let's factorize this. You know, in sort, when you have root ab, it's the same thing as root a times root b. Okay, so if I split this, root pt is going to be root p times root t. This one will be root q times root t. So something is common here. Let's factorize that. Minus root t, I can bring root t out, and I'm left with what? Root p, okay, plus I'm also left with what? Root q, okay, close bracket, and over I have root p plus root q. So this can eliminate this, and a final answer is minus root t. So minus root t is the solution to the problem on the screen. I believe you learned one or two things from this online class today. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, share, and comment. See you next class. Thank you.